DJI Mic 2, turn on. Change to the mode for Bluetooth. Turn on the Insta360 Ace Pro 2. Swipe down over to the Bluetooth and connect the mic 2. And I may have to pair enable. This buzzed, and I need to either hit the back arrow or I could swipe to get out and off. I wish there was an X that I could hit the main screen. I'm going to just do a test 1, 2, 3, long press, and delete off the video. I'm going to shut down my camera. I'm going to shut down my Bluetooth. I'm going to charge my Bluetooth. I'm going to put it to the side. I'm going to turn my camera on when I plug in my USB-C cable. I'm going to download my files. U-Disk mode. Grab my files. Bluetooth headphone enabled to use multiple mics enabled dual track. I didn't get a chance to click it. I'm going to get my files.